Step number 1, pick a course topic that's already popular. Do not try to reinvent the wheel here. So I talk about this concept in detail in my How to Create Multiple Streams of Income When You're Working a 9 to 5, and I share in that video that a lot of new entrepreneurs, and I find that a lot of new online course creators make the same mistake where they see a particular topic or something that's really popular in the market and they think to themselves, oh, you know, it's already too saturated, it's oversaturated. I'm gonna come up with this other thing that nobody else has done and I'm gonna be successful at that. Here's the thing, if a topic is popular and you see a lot of courses on it, that's a good indication that the demand is high for that particular topic. So you will want to structure the topic a certain way so that you do stand out, which we'll talk about in a little bit, but you want to pick what's already popular. So no, you don't want to do the exact same course that someone else is doing, but if someone else is doing a course on, I don't know, how to find love again after divorce, and you are a love and relationship expert and you're noticing all of these courses on finding love after divorce, that's a good indication that there's a strong demand for that, and there are a lot of people who want to find love after divorce. So that's not your excuse to say, oh, it's too popular, it's too crowded, I'm gonna create a course on how to find love in your teens. Like what? Like teens aren't buying that course. Nobody's gonna buy that. So you wanna go with what's already popular, but you do wanna tweak it a little bit.